Ayan na guys, yung niluto natin, ayan. Yung chicken curry natin. Ayan. Alhamdulillah, ang daming pagkain guys.
Hi guys!
How are you? Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Saan sulong man kayo ng mundo guys. Kamusta ang lahat? Kamusta kayo dyan? Ngayon is 30 of March and 20th, no? 20th day of Ramadan ngayon guys. So malapit na, ilang araw na lang matatapos na rin yung Ramadan guys. Back to normal na naman tayo.
Only 10 days now for the Eid.
Kaya ayan, then after that may tatlo or apat na araw kami holiday guys. Ayan, at makapagpahinga din sa holiday sana makagala din guys, makapagawa ng content sa labas. Kaya yun, kahapon Friday wala kaming vlog sa loob ng sasakyan guys, kaya ilang minuto lang yung vlog ko kahapon sa kusina. Kaya yun. Shout out nga pala sa mga bagong subscribers natin guys. Maraming salamat, at sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta sa channel ko guys, maraming salamat. At sana hindi kayo magsawa sa panood ng mga walang kwentang videos guys. Nakakatawa. Ayan. Kaya ano na naman, ayun, pag-uusapan na naman natin ngayon guys, yung lulutuin natin mamayang hapon para sa iftar namin. Kasi ngayon wala na talaga akong naisip na lulutuin guys. Kasi kung ako mag-isip, ako Filipino food, tapos ayun yung kanin, kailangan may kanin. Kasi nga hindi na ako kumakain ng kanin, di ba? Kubos yung kinakain ko guys. Brown bread. Kasi nga medyo mataas yung blood pressure ko na ngayon guys. Kaya ayun, reduce muna sa kanin. Pero mamaya, hindi ko alam kung anong lulutuin. Do you want chicken curry? You know chicken curry?
Yeah, I ate before you.
But this one, there's a coconut milk, right?
Maybe
You want me to make it like that?
today,
Hmm?
but for Malik, because you like soup.
There is soup also, it's okay.
It's up to you much.
That one with potato, carrots, and capsicum, no?
Yeah.
And then, what do you think? You should bring curry powder or what?
Okay, if like that, I bring for you today. Sahi, you asked me to bring juice for Malik. What else we need?
Yeah.
You want the bread for you?
Yes, the brown bread. No, just wait. We talk first about for our food. So, when you make chicken curry, so it means there's a coconut milk powder, right?
Yeah. You cook before, I think, for us.
I don't know. Maybe.
You make before for us. So.
But you like it that one? If you don't like it,
If you make, okay, we'll separate, but make soup for Malik also. Because you know Malik likes soup.
okay. Then you buy curry powder, huh?
Okay.
Chicken curry powder.
Chicken curry, okay. From Nesto, I saw before.
And then this capsicum.
Okay.
I don't have capsicum. Ayan guys, napag-usapan na natin yung...
You want the colors or green capsicum?
Yeah, it's anything. It's up to you.
Or have a yellow, red, green.
So it's better if like that, green or red. No, it's up to you.
Okay, Raj.
Yeah, It's okay, just
Maybe I
bring.
make variety 1-1-1.
Oh, you can bring one green, one red.
1 red, okay.
We have still carrots there and potato.
Yeah.
So it's, ayan guys, so mamayang hapon guys, yung menu na naman natin is chicken curry daw. Kaya ayan. Yun, tsaka yung bread. I need brown bread.
Okay, but today.
Then for Malik, juice.
The juice from Malik cocktail and the Nasur juice. Maybe I bring the croissant he eats, huh?
Yeah, but no more corazon there, huh? Only this one.
لا ما في only cake.
Then you
Chocolate
can
cake.
bring.
Yesterday he ate chocolate cake. He ate chips first هذا corn. Banti he said not banti هذا bunny.
Bunny.
Bunny. And then he said Baba chocolate cake he ate also because he's very hungry.
Juice. We don't have yogurt there. Yogurt.
Laban.
No, we have yogurt. I think 3 pieces, and then
We need laban.
laban.
Okay.
No more laban there.
So then inshallah. This nice or I change this laban you said?
No, it's not good. This
هذا نادى صح؟
nada. I don't know what you buy this one last time.
Before the first one which brand? Marai?
I don't know what is that. Just
Nadik better.
Nadik, it's okay.
Okay.
Nadik.
Nice.
Then you can bring cucumber.
Ah yeah? Okay.
Ayan, cucumber. Because no more cucumber there.
Okay.
Ayan guys, ang lulutuin natin mamaya is chicken curry. Kaya abangan nyo guys mamaya. See you in the afternoon. Dito na tayo sa bahay. Ayan, nasa kusina na naman tayo. Same as usual guys. At magluluto na naman tayo. At yun nga, yung pinag-usapan namin ni Abu Malik na magluluto. Na lulutuin namin yung chicken curry guys. Chicken curry. Ayan, chicken curry ngayon yung menu natin guys. Pero bago tayo mag-start sa pagluluto, sa mga hindi pa po pala nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment, and share and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin guys. Ayan na guys, mag-i-start na tayo ng lutuin nating chicken curry guys. Kaya ayan. Ayan na yung chicken curry natin guys. Hindi pa luto. Sana maging masarap mamaya kasi walang tikim-tikim yan guys. Jackpot na lang yan sa pagtimpla. Kaya ayan. Ayan na guys, luto na yung chicken curry natin. Ayan. At nakapagluto na rin ako ng sambusa. Tapos na. Kaya mag-prepare na tayo guys para sa ayan na guys, yung niluto natin, ayan. Yung chicken curry natin. Ayan. Alhamdulillah, ang daming pagkain guys. Ayan yung dried fruits ni Abu Malik. Ayan. Gatas na may date, saka yung mixed fruit juice. Ayan, apricot juice. Ito pala yung sweet na niluto ni Abu Malik guys, kunapa. May nuts yan sa loob, nuts. Mix na nuts yun eh. Tsaka may ano siya, may coconut. Ayan yung bread namin. Ayan yung naiwan kahapon guys. White rice kay Malik yan. May sambusa din si Abu Malik. Kaya ayan guys, tapos na tayo magluto. At maghintay na lang tayo ng oras ng kain. Naka-prepare na rin. Kaya, pero malapit na lang naman. 10 minutes. Then, kakain na tayo guys. Kaya, hanggang dito na lang yung video ko guys. Kaya, see you in the next video, and then sana wag kayong magsawang sa kakasupport sa mga videos ko guys. Thank you so much and God bless us all. Bye!